Welcome back to our garden series where we explore different plant varieties and their unique qualities. Today we're going to be talking about Cyclamen Allure Neon Pink. Cyclamen Allure Neon Pink is a relatively new cultivar of the cyclamen plant, which is native to Mediterranean regions of Europe and the Middle East. The neon pink flowers of this cultivar were bred specifically for their vibrant color and long blooming period. Cyclamen Allure Neon Pink is a small, tuberous perennial plant that grows up to 6 to 8 inches in height. It has heart-shaped leaves that are often marbled with silver and are held on long, slender stalks. The flowers are bright pink and appear in clusters on top of the plant, blooming from late fall to early spring. Cyclamen Allure Neon Pink prefers cool, moist environment with bright and direct light. It is often grown as a houseplant but can also be grown outdoors in mild climates. It requires well-drained soil and should not be overwatered as it is susceptible to root rot. The neon pink variety pairs well with other shade-loving plants such as ferns, hostas, and impatiens. It also looks beautiful when planted in groups or as a ground cover. Cyclamen Allure Neon Pink is prized for its vibrant pink flowers and is often used as a decorative houseplant or in shaded garden beds. It can also be used in floral arrangement or as a gifted plant. Additionally, the tubers of the cyclamen plant have been used medicinally for purposes in traditional medicine, although they can be toxic if ingested in large quantities. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and information.